All right, folks, this is a quick midweek presentation, and it's courtesy of SpaceX yet again. This is another Starship capture, but it's actually from the booster as it's descending. And what's interesting about this is I watched quite a few of these, and they do color commentary. There's like narrators explaining what's happening, which is really cool because you can learn a lot. But they're calling out everything that's going on and they're predicting things. So they're letting you know what's about to happen. And they specifically tell you this is intentional. You're going to see this. This is going to happen for this reason. And so what I find interesting about this capture is that the narrators didn't say a word about this. And you would think they would know that it's going to come on screen and you're going to see it, and they would say, oh, get ready to see the whatever thing. It's going to be, going at X miles per hour or explain it. But for as much explanation as these folks do, they didn't touch this at all. And I think that's probably the reason, other than the visual aspect of it, that's the reason that caught my attention the most is, wait a minute, why aren't you explaining this to me? You explain everything else to me when I'm watching these things. So check out the commentary here.
As the atmosphere gets thicker, it's going to start interacting with those grid fins. As the atmosphere gets thicker, it's going to start interacting with those grid fins. As the atmosphere gets thicker, it's going to start interacting with those grid fins.
So yeah, I mean, you know, it's there, it's pretty clear. Whatever it is unquestionably in space there. And like I said, these folks at SpaceX talk you through these things, and they didn't with this. And this is once it gets up into space, and I did this change so you could see it. Even with the dark background, you can see it do this little maneuver, but it's, it's up there. It's weird. But and then obviously you can see that thing going from left to right really quickly also. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot going on too in this video. I'm going to do more about this video later on, maybe this weekend. I just wanted to get this out there and share this with you guys because it's pretty interesting looking. And again, with the speed of the descent, it's tough to tell if this is ascending and if so, at what speed. But regardless of whether it's hovering, ascending, or not, it's still, what is it? I mean, that's the bottom line is, what is this thing? And the final thing I wanted to point out about this is that it seems to have some sort of little notch there toward the left side, right? And I don't know what that is, but it's pretty consistent. And look at this. That on top is a still shot of the Kumburgaz UFO. So just food for thought. Yeah. All right, folks. More questions and answers. Thanks for your time. Take care.